You know how many fertilizers, manures I put here? I put cow dung, chicken manure, layers, goat manure, charcoal dust.
Everything.
And tobacco dust. And my humus, which I make here. You have seen my humus. So that's why you have seen that very healthy. I think I overfeed them.
So this is 100% your own potting soil. It's got all those different manures in it.
My own potting
and
soil.
You take your time, you get it.
Yep.
Wow, I think that's fantastic because that makes it very fertile. So what do you call this then? It doesn't have a name, it's just compost?
Yeah, compost. That's where I make my compost. So if I want to start reporting from my greenhouses, I just remove the top part because the bottom part is rotten. It's humus, proper humus. Yeah.
So you don't even waste time with mixing compost, turning it, watering it?
No, I don't.
Because you have so much, you just come get when you need?
Yes.
And this is everything. What do you put in here then?
Grass, leaves, anything, which can rot.
And I think this is a good idea because a lot of households have got grass cuttings, leaf cuttings, and they're actually putting them in the garbage for the garbage collection to go to the dump. But actually, there's always a way that you can reuse that in your garden, either as mulch or as compost or, even as potting medium.
Like even in the kitchen, I don't throw anything.
Okay.
For my breakfast, orange peels, I soak them in water. I put first charcoal dust.
Okay.
And tobacco dust.
Okay.
I put them in water. That's where I start throwing all my kitchen residues. The vegetables, like vegetable stems, chihuahua stems, I boil the water and I throw them in there. After 1 week or 2 weeks, I sieve that water. That's what I feed my plants.
Oh, really?
Yes, I don't throw. And after sieving those remaining, I dry them, I pound them, and then I add to the soil.
Oh, okay. So you make another type of compost?
Yes. I'll show you in the greenhouse. All these. I'm drying them, pounding them, and I'll put them back in the soil.
Okay, so you've harvested the beans from here?
Yes.
This is just...
That's the beans which covered my...
Oh, and killed everything else.
Yes, and killed everything else.
Okay.
The eggshells there, and these mostly are orange peels, whatever, pineapples, whatever. And when they're dry, I pound them.
And they go back into the soil.
Manures. For
groundnuts,
I pound. It's all manure.
This is fantastic, but it's a lot of work. You need a...
No, it's not a lot of work.
It's not a lot of work?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not.
Just takes a bit of patience.
Yeah.
And I think ultimately...
And I have helpers.
Yes.
I don't do it alone.
Yes.
I have helpers.
And I think the other thing is when you know the benefits, we can complain about the work, but hey, look at your peppers. It's obviously working, so...
So I don't throw away anything.
It's all from the kitchen. I see your tea bag is there as well.
My tea bags are there. So this is what they're doing. I think, so this is the dry other things. So they pound, and when we're planting, when we're mixing the soils, we put that. That's which I'm drying.
So this is all the garden waste, all the leftover whatever.
All the garden waste.
Pounded.
And this is eucalyptus tree. I also, this it's very good for the lungs.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I make a tea. I clean them. I make a tea in the morning. Eucalyptus, and then cinnamon sticks, lemon,
I know some people just use
ginger.
the leaves.
But
eucalyptus leaves. Isn't it easier to do that with than to pound this?
I take even the leaves.
Okay.
Even
It
the
has
leaves.
the eucalyptus
These
smell.
sometimes are for mulching the plants.
Oh, okay, this helps as well, yes.
And sometimes I pound some to make powder.